We stand at a crossroads, become masters of technology or its slaves. Today, we'll figure out how to choose the former. We will touch on one of the most important aspects of 2025, something that has already defined humanity's development for decades ahead. I hope this information will be very useful to you. My name is Adam Vector. That is my pseudonym. I have no interest in becoming popular. I want to use this platform to promote my philosophy, how to be as effective as possible during such massive changes, namely, the Fourth Industrial Revolution. And one important point right away, subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you enjoy this video. This is how we push this clip forward and help even more people move with us over time at the same speed. Because in the next videos, we will break down how to apply AI specifically for growth in your field. What kind of morning do you and I wake up to? The alarm adjusts the volume by itself. The kettle has already boiled. The smart speaker reads the weather in meetings. The navigator routes around traffic jams. Email filters spam. Millions live like this. According to Menlo Ventures, 1.7 billion people already use generative AI, but only 3% pay for it. It has become an invisible part of life. My approach is simple. AI is a partner, not a master. We must notice where the machine makes a decision for us and take back the right to the final word. After all, the only real question is, who's at the controls? You or the algorithm? Today, I will show where AI already works, why it is dangerous without control, and how to turn it into your co-pilot that lifts you to a higher level. At home, at work, in learning, and in raising children. When everything works by itself, we relax. It's like a GPS, incredibly useful. But ask yourself, when was the last time you truly memorized a new route on your own? The brain, like a muscle, weakens without use. According to Harvard, up to 90% of decisions the brain makes are on autopilot. Add AI, and attention switches off even more. The real danger is not that robots will take the jobs, but that we ourselves will stop thinking. The main tool today is large language models. These are assistants that understand speech and answer in a human way. Assemble a weekly plan. Explain a mortgage in simple words. Make a to-do list from the email. Find the bug in the code. Suggest a gift idea. The result is a fast, clear answer. You can dictate by voice, show a photo or a table. Such a partner accelerates thinking, planning, and learning. And today, this is an advantage. Tomorrow, it will be a mandatory condition of competition. MIT in 2024 showed, with ChatGPT and other models, people learn and work faster, but remember details worse. Let's break down 3 key ecosystems. Google Gemini, built into familiar services, Search, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Calendar. It can sort correspondence into tasks, collect theses from a PDF, and make a draft presentation. OpenAI ChatGPT, a universal brain HQ. It explains, like to a 5th grader, and helps with emails, scripts, code, and ideas. Grok, XAI, strong on events. It quickly grasps what is happening right now and gives a summary and context. Conclusion, it's not who is smarter, but who fits the task better. Write in the comments which AI you use more often. Gemini, ChatGPT, Grok, or another. Our main rule is very simple. The 3D rule. Delegate. Make a 120-word summary, business tone. Double check. DAX, style, errors. Decide what to keep, what to adjust. And that second step, double check, is where the magic happens. It's where you transform AI's raw output into your unique work. This way, AI becomes a second pilot, not an autopilot you fall asleep on. Gartner forecasts, by 2028, 33% of enterprise software will have agents that make decisions on their own. The question is, will you remain an operator or become a partner who manages the process? For the first example, let's take autopilot in a car. It keeps the lane and distance and brakes in danger. This reduces accidents. But this is not a reason to get stuck on your phone. The human sees the context. It's the same with AI. A helper is a plus for safety and efficiency, but not a replacement for responsibility. Second example, dictation, subtitles, and real-time translation already work. I speak with my voice. I get text. I give text. I get voiceover. But there is one rule. Read important things yourself. A contract, a post for a wide audience. Always run it through your own brain and your own style. And what about social networks with their built-in AI algorithms? YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. They shape content for us. Convenient, but risky. The view narrows. I deliberately shuffle the deck. I search without personalization, and I subscribe to opposing points of view. Try an experiment. For 1 week, log out of your Google account and search for topics you care about. You'll be shocked at how different the world looks without the filter bubble that algorithms built just for you. Are you sure algorithms really help your decisions? Write in the comments. What dangers already surround us if AI is not our partner but just a toy? Blind faith, a content bubble, data leaks, bias, skill degradation. How not to get caught? Here are 5 commands that help me handle this. Challenge the source. Ask what's being left out. Actively search for disproof. Understand what's at stake. Re-verify it all tomorrow. AI can become a partner for everyone. Parents, ask for a plan but explain yourselves. Children, games and tasks for development. Students, knowledge maps and idea breakdowns. Professionals, reports, analysis, and solution options. The elderly, voice commands, reminders, and protection from scammers. One principle: AI accelerates. You are at the wheel. AI is already changing professions. Teacher, AI assembles the test. The teacher gives the explanation. Student, gets an overview but makes their own argument. Designer, dozens of sketches from AI. Human strength goes into taste and vision. Programmer, routine code by AI, architecture by the human. Marketer, analytics from AI, creativity from the human. Lawyer, doctor, financier, information flows filtered by AI, the decision made by the human. In a year, the ability to work with AI will become as basic as being able to drive a car or use a smartphone. Here are 5 steps I recommend to everyone who uses AI every day. Choose one routine task. Describe the goal and criteria to the AI. Ask the model for a draft, options, and an overall analysis. Check and adjust. Decide what you left to the machine and what you proudly kept for yourself. I challenge you, do this tonight. Pick one task, walk through these 5 steps, and post in the comments what you discovered. Let's turn theory into practice, together. Today we figured out why it is important to be an AI partner, not an operator. Delegate the routine, check critically, and make the decisions yourself. Then, AI becomes your accelerator, and you keep your leadership. And a final question for the comments. How is AI already influencing your studies or your work? And what boundary do you always keep only in your own hands? We will analyze the best answers in the next videos. The future is here, and it's yours to command.